Okay, question 2A. All right, now 2A. Okay, so from here 2A. Now this one, when they ask you 2 ways to increase added value. Now this one is actually is a quite simple question, sir. Now, first of all, what's added value? Basically, added value is the difference, okay, between what? So difference between your selling price, okay, and cost of materials only, right? So please, this is only difference between cost of the material, not the cost of production, not the total expenses, right? Because some students may confuse with the added value with your profit. So what is the difference between added value and profit? Profit is after all expenses deduction, but added value is only find the difference between selling price with your cost of material. This is your added value. So here, if they ask you to increase added value, how to increase? Basically, there are only 2 ways. Now, from here, okay, what is the definition between selling price and cost of material? So way 1, what you can do for way 1, increase selling price. Okay. Now way 2, decrease your cost of materials. So there are only 2 ways to increase added value, right? So to increase added value, there are only 2 ways, not more than that. Increase selling price and decrease the cost of materials. Now here, come to your explanation. So ask yourself, how do you increase your selling price? What you can do to increase your selling price, definitely is about your product already. So what you can do on your product, the quality, so you may write improve the quality of product. Okay, improve the quality of product, right? Okay, so now since they ask for application, so here what is the product they are actually making? So go back to the appendix, right? So go back to the appendix. Now this is a business, right? Sole trader, blah blah blah, successful business, high quality products. Okay, so t-shirt, they are producing t-shirts, okay, add a design onto the t-shirt, blah blah blah. Okay, yes, all right, okay. Now, so here actually I know how to apply already because since I didn't mention product, right? So you write, improve the quality of the t-shirts. So t-shirts, this one I get it from the passage, or I get it from the case, so this is your application already. So 3 mark, just writing the t-shirt, you get 1 mark already. Okay. Yes, this is your knowledge. This is your answer already, knowledge, right? So here, come back to here. So explanation, when you write improve the quality of t-shirt, now quality is your AN, t-shirt is APP. So by writing this sentence, you already have 2 marks, right? You already have 2 marks. Okay, so improve the quality of t-shirts. Okay, then after that you may continue, and therefore, okay, customers, right, will be more, okay, willing to pay. Okay, and this will, right, increase, okay, the brand reputation, okay, or the brand image of the business. Okay, so which also results more, okay, customers to buy the products. So here the whole sentence, right, I already have my 2 AN and 1 APP. Okay, can application points be repeated? Now for the same question, you try not to repeat the application. Okay, same questions, try not to repeat the application, but you can use the application for other questions, right? So let's say, example, if I write t-shirt in the way 1, I cannot write t-shirt in way 2 already. Okay, I mean, better not to write the same application, but actually from the mark scheme is some mark scheme actually they accept as the same application in the same questions, but I would suggest use different application. Okay. Yes, all right. So you also need to know the liquidity ratio, right? Because if the question gives you current asset, current liability, definitely this is referring to a liquidity ratio already. Okay, so based on the question, what they give you, right? Not always they'll ask you for profitability or liquidity. Sometimes they may also ask you for break-even. So in recent years, I saw quite a lot of questions asking the break-even calculation. So actually, break-even calculation is another formula, right? Actually, you also can use a break-even calculation based on just now the appendix. Okay, all right. Now, so here, come back to here, way 2. Now, so after you decrease your cost of material, okay, yeah, so break even, okay, yes, right. Now, come back here. So for the decreased cost of material, now what you can do to decrease your cost of material. Now, so first you may look for cheaper supplier. So you can write ST, right? ST may look for, right, cheaper suppliers. Okay, so cheaper suppliers, right? Of, okay, okay, may look for cheaper suppliers. Okay, right, may look for cheaper suppliers. After that, you can write okay, ST may look for cheaper suppliers that helps to reduce, okay, the costs of production. Okay, right, and okay, so cost of production, right, of making, right. So let's say we go back to appendix. Okay, cost of production of making the, okay, let me see, making. Okay, yeah, you can use this, right, batch of t-shirts, right, different for each customers. So cost of production of making, okay, of making, right, different, okay, batch of t-shirts, okay, for each customer, right, t-shirt for each customer. Okay, so this is another application, right, for your answer. Okay, so margin of safety is when you use your actual output, means your actual units, or you minus your break-even units. That one is your margin of safety. So margin of safety, the greater the better. That means the difference between your actual sales with your break-even units. So if it's larger margin of safety, means what, you're earning more profit, okay, after your break-even. All right, so this is called margin of safety, okay, from the break-even. Now, so for each customers, right, so Gao team, now this one, right, cheaper supplier is your analysis, right. Then here, this is your APP, okay. Then you may need one more besides that, right, besides that, then this ST, right, could, okay, lower, right, the quality of inputs. So actually, when you lower the quality, your cost of material also will be lower, right. Quality services for way one, yes, can, right, improve the quality analysis, you write increase price. Cannot, because price is the main one. Price is the main factor for increasing the added value based on the calculation here. All right, so you cannot write increase the quality and then analysis write increase price. So actually, you should start with increase price, and only how to increase price, you may use better quality product or better quality services. All right, okay. Now, so here, lower quality of inputs, okay, of the let's say of cheaper, okay, of cheaper fabric. So this is your application. Another application, actually, if you would use more than one application, nothing wrong. You can use more than one application. All right, clear? So this is for your question 2A. Now, so that's it, right, for 2A, like this only. Now, so